Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So I just sold my Diamondback bed cover and my iKamper Skycamp 2.0 to a gentleman. I posted on Facebook Marketplace and he popped out just a few days later to come get it. So I helped him install it. Really, the fact that the bed cover was already reassembled with the front runner rack on it, that was the hardest part. So really at this point it was almost like a plug and play of popping this whole set on. So really I think it took about 45 minutes altogether from start to finish actually working on it, which wasn't too bad at all. So wanted to share this with you, as you know, it brought his truck to a new level. So this is already an awesome Tundra. For you guys, you already pinpointed it's the 1794 edition and it looks awesome. So it's a 2019, obviously in black, and a couple additional goodies beyond the rooftop tent there and Diamondback. So he has some Moto metal wheels. These are 20-inch with my favorite tire on it, the Nitto Ridge Grappler. These are 305 55 20-inch tires for it, for 20-inch wheel rather. But you guys know how I feel about this. These are awesome. He does have a rough country lift on it with a, I think 3.5 up front, 3.5-inch lift, and I think 2.5 in the rear is what it ended up being, leveling it out. As you guys know, the TRD Pro comes with the TRD Tune Fox suspension, which already kind of gives it that little bit of a lift over a non-TRD Pro Tundra. So you kind of you need to do a little bit more to make this work out, and I think he did a good job with it. So I'll do a walk around, show you of course, how the Diamondback and rooftop tent came out on it. And it definitely brought it together nicely. I think his next step, he said he was going to try to upgrade to 35-inch tires just to kind of fill it up a little bit better. This is what it ended up looking like. So by not having to do this again, you know, we saved a lot of heartache not having to plug this together, because if you guys know, you have to actually place these, mark each of the hole slots, and actually drill into the bed cover itself. So it turns into quite the chore. For the iKamper itself, it extends a little bit beyond. We're probably talking a foot or so beyond the actual bed of the tailgate here. If you get a iKamper, the Skycamp, the Mini, you know, that's a little bit more of a flush look, but then again, you're not getting that fold out to a king size bed that you'd get in this one. You guys do know I ended up getting this Linexed with the premium coat up there, allow for better flex for it. So this is always kind of the bittersweet video to take, because you know, we didn't get enough use out of it. We barely used it, and of course that's always a drag, so forgive the dogs, guys. But this gentleman, of course, will put it to better use, which I could be happy about that. So there's one last look on it. Tell you what, it looks great on a black Tundra. Side look of it. I won't get fully in his business here, but it being a 1794 edition, you get that brown leather interior, which is awesome. You get that premium feel to it that you don't necessarily get with the TRD Pro. But everything else, power plant, transmission, everything else is the same that you'd expect. So, all right, team. Well, I will wrap up the video there. I just want to make this a real quick walk around and almost like a farewell shot to it. So I appreciate you watching as always. Until next time.